String manipulation in Python. You can retrieve individual characters from a string using indexing, which allows you to work with specific parts of the string. Slicing allows you to extract a portion of a string by specifying a range of indices. Although strings in Python are immutable, you can create modified versions of strings through concatenation or by using various transformation methods. To display a string in Python, simply create a variable. We will name it ch is equal hello world, and we put it in quotation marks. Then we execute it. Print is equal to ch to display. Now we will see the methods. Methods in Python are used to convert a string to uppercase, and if it was uppercase to lowercase, we can use replace to replace, join to join two words, and you can even count characters. Now we're going to use upper to capitalize a string. Just put a point and then upper. We apply. Oh. Now we will interact with the user with input. Input allows you to request and retrieve user input. We store the result in a variable name. Input, what's your name? Print name. First we will print hello. Then we will print name. So at runtime, it will ask us for the name first. We will type the name, and then it will print hello, followed by name, already requested by the user. A concatenation is the merging of two strings in a single chain. We will use input from two strings. Dank on Vagarder. What is your name? Then we will create another variable. We'll call it picked. Python question. We will ask the user to respond. With input, are you a programmer? Now we will use a new technique for the print function. It is called the F string, or a formatted string. This is to combine all of them into one sentence. So F string, my name is we. will display the results of the name. And then automatically, we will take the result of pick. Add to that the fact that I am a programmer. So you always have to put braces between variables. But applying. So my name is Adele. Are you a programmer? I answer yes. The result est my name is Adele. Yes, I am a programmer.